Hey guys, today I am playing Slither. Why not? So let's go ahead and go play. So I'm gonna put nickname. Just gonna put no, I'm just gonna put IO. Let's play. So this is a game like Agario IO, but there's one that's a worm, not a snake, but it's really laggy. So yeah. And eventually it's really hard. So why not? Let's go. So you're not supposed to eat all the worms if they're smarter than you. You just have to let them go for you, and you have to make your worm really big and try to make them go into you. So I found this thing. Ooh, this is yummy. Yeah. Give me some of that. Give me some of that. Holy shh. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Oh my god. My hand is moving. See? It's laggy. Laggy. Oh my god. No. I froze. I'm dead. It's a little warm again because I died. Too laggy. And the worm, if you make it, let me give you a hint. If you make it like a circle and some people are around you, it will make them go get to you. Yeah. Oh. This guy's trying to make me go into him. Oh, hell. Nah. Ooh. I'm gonna go get bigger. Oh no, it's gonna be laggy again. Holy. That's right, bitch. Holy, no. What the? No. Last try. Yes. Alright, if you like this video, please give me a like.